Bangalore and I am an engineering graduate. I take this moment to thank Dr. GVR sir for creating such an amazing organization to change our country by changing and transforming youth's mindset. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಜಾರಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊ, ಒಂದೊಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಬ್ ತಗೋ, ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಸರ್ವೈವ್ ದ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಟು ಲೀಡ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್, meaningful and successful life. If I want to talk about my personal learning from this platform, we can learn the parents' values, the culture of our country, and we can be the best version of ourselves through the series of workshops what we attend here based on the life education. And talking about the product and services what we are getting here, it's really valuable and worth the paying. If you want to fulfill your dreams, we just need to work as per the system and definitely you can fulfill your dreams. Thank you so much.